Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So this week we have something a little bit different. We have a robotic wood chipper coming from Aramax UK and they're just going to do a little demo up in the back fields. So I'm going to bring you along and show you that. We had Valtra training on this week. Seth Bradford from Valtra came over just to talk through some of the new technologies on the new Valtra Tractors. This week was very busy for Valtra deliveries. We had 6 tractors come in the other day. Donnel Ellis was busy unloading them, so I'll show you in the next couple of clips them just bringing some of the tractors in. So this is a Valtra N135. We have another N135, it comes without the loader on it. So I'll just give you a bit of a look around this one. So that is our Dietz Agri Plus 100 that came in during the week. And now we have more of our Valtra lineup. So as I said, we had Seth Bradford from Valtra over throughout the week. He was just bringing all the lads through the latest technologies and just some tips and tricks. So that is our Valtra G105. We haven't had a G105 here in the yard in quite some time, but it's a lovely little tractor. It's 100 horsepower. That is a T195 that came in as well, and a G135 with the front loader. Kind of running out of space now at this stage for all our new tractors, but that's an N175 as well with the front loader, and our T195. So you're more than likely going to see most of these tractors down at the ploughing this year. That's a 2019 N154. And you have another black G135 and an N175 active. And that is our N175 there as well. That tractor has been here for a couple of weeks, but all these that you see here just came in. just when I am passing here, I see we have our pick and stacks back in stock. So that is the Cashel pick and stack. There's also an option of the double pick and stack as well, so if you're interested in that, send us a message. Now this here looks like it's a new tractor, but this is a 2023 N175, the front loader. And this tractor is for sale. So if you want to find out any more information on that one, give Erwin a shout.
Hiya folks, welcome back to the channel, Tractor Tuesday again. As you see, we have a pair of tractors there just in. To the left of me is a Valtra N101, behind me is a Fiat 190 tractor. I'm going to do it today on the 101. I'll just give you a brief insight on this 190 that's come in. Very tidy throughout, there's about 12,000 hours on it. She's on 540 tyres in the rear, 480s in the front, tyres look new, 2 spool valves. Does about 35k on the road, this yoke. Good straight tractor. This will be priced, it's on Dundee at the minute, it's priced at 23,000 including the VAT. But moving on to the tractor in question today is this is a 2013 Valtra N101, less than 4,000 hours on the clock. And we're going to pull this outside and give you a run through it. Also just in, I'll give a brief mention to it's a Ford New Holland 8340. Only just in, there's about 12,000 hours on this. There's new tyres all round on it, and this one here will be priced to sell at 18.5 plus the VAT. This is it. It's a 2013 Valtra N101. It's 4,000 hours exactly on the clock, and I suppose looking at the tractor, it doesn't look out of place with the new ones behind it. The tractor is very tidy. The tractor is an example now, and it's a credit to the previous owner. Comes with a full rack of weights in the front of it. It has front suspension, 540 Michelin tyres in the rear, 440 tyres on the front. Paint work, everything is spotless on this tractor. Has work lights in the top of the cab as well, and here along the sides. On around to the rear, you have your lift and your PTO buttons on the mudguards as per usual. Even the rear of this tractor is in very good order. Paintwork, everything is in very good order on it. Has a remote push out hitch, 3 manual spools, has the drawbar there as well, and there's an array of work lights on the top of the cab as well. On around to this side, as you see, it's as clean as the other side now. We did have the rims sprayed on this tractor just to finish it off now, so no, to be fair, all in all it's a very tidy outfit. As you see, the inside of this cab is as clean as the outside of the tractor. To be fair, it is really a credit to the man that had it. Has your 3 manual spools, all your lift and your draft control settings here, 540 1000 speed PTO controls, 4-wheel drive, diff lock, neutral auto. Excuse me a minute. Continuing on, there's all your lights, work lights, wipers, beacon, all your controls up here, along with a CD player and radio. As you see, looking at the clock, there is, hold on, there's a nice letter on this. That's the service hours. She's only just serviced. I think there's 4,005 or 4,006 hours on this. 4,005.9 hours on the clock.
Let's go. So that's Aaron's little roundup of the New Holland, the Fiat, and the Valtra N101. He forgot to mention there's aircon on this tractor. Forgot to mention there is aircon on this tractor also. So if you have any requests of any tractors that you want done in the next couple of weeks, send them in and Aaron will be more than happy to go through them, won't you, Aaron?
Absolutely.
And thanks very much. If you got this far, thanks very much for watching. And Aaron will see you on next week's
Tractor Tuesday.
this is our Max F30 12-inch disc chipper. It comes in wheeled and track formats. This is our tracked machine, it's 4.2 tonne, and then we have our wheeled machine, which is 3.5 tonnes. Powering the F30 is a Caterpillar 3.6 litre engine, 100 kilowatts, and we also offer a Deutz power unit, which is 55 kilowatts. As standard on the F30, we have full hydraulic controls on the chute. So you have your raise lower, you have your rotation, and you have your deflector flap that also is hydraulically powered. Also on the in-feed hopper, it is hydraulically powered as well. All is standard on this machine. The controls at the back of the machine are IP69K rated, so they're waterproof. We have our forward reverse, we have the stop, and then we have open on demand feature as well. So this is suitable for large material that you're feeding in. Also have 3 independent stop bars in the back of the machine, so safe for hand feeding. And then 2 e-stops at the back of the machine as well. These stop bars can be deactivated for machine loading, so you're not stopping the machine all the time. A unique feature in our machine is the pivoting chamber access door. So this makes setting your anvils much easier, and also for any blockages that come into the machine, very easy to get them removed. Our Hardox feed wheels are a high torque system, so we're able to pull in full trees. We've worked a lot on our feed system as well, so it will open easily for safe hand feeding. And then we also have a crush feature for any branchy material that will be able to pull the material into the disc. We have a dedicated oil cooler, which also has a reversible fan as standard. The intervals are set from the control panel. An option as well on our track machine is the dozer blade, so this helps with stability on the machine. And we also have a crane option on the track machine too, so that is a 6.3 metre crane which has 500 kilos of lifting capacity at max reach. In terms of the fuel tank, we have a 100 litre diesel tank as well, so more than enough for a day's chipping. And I'll go around and show you the control system. So the pulleys for the chipper disc are engaged via the hand clutch here, and then through our colour display you simply go into the run screen, and then you hold the button and automatically the engine will rev up to operating speed and you're ready to go. Through the screen as well you have full controls of all the hydraulics functions in the machine, so you have your hopper, your chute controls, also your forward reverse on the feed wheels, and your open demand feature too. So everything can be controlled here and also via the remote. Your fan intervals, reverse times as well, so we offer a reversible fan on this machine for the engine as well. The intervals can be set through the control screen. We have an eco mode available on this machine as well, so after a set interval the machine will drop down to idle revs, and then once it senses material going back in, or you push the button at the buttons at the back or the remote, it will go back into operating speed. For different materials that you want to process, we have 3 chipping modes available. So 2 sets from the factory, you have logs and branch, and then the operator as well can set their own custom chipping mode. And then I'll just show you the remote available with the machine. So this is the remote available with the F30. Once again, you have your chute controls, your rotates, your raise and lower, and then your feed wheel controls, so your reverse and forward, and then your open on demand feature. And if you're away from the machine and if you're up a tree or using the chainsaw, you can just hit the eco mode and it drops the machine down to idle revs, so you're using less fuel. On this machine as well, for the track machine, we have the track functionalities. You have your forward reverse, and we have 2-speed tracking as well. So the high speed and the low speed. So you can see the F30 high torque tree system is able to pull in full trees. Find out more about the F30 and Ardmac, contact us on info@ardmac.uk or visit our website www.ardmac.uk. Thank you.
So that's it for Tractor Tuesday. If you haven't already, please hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see anything more in any of the videos in the next couple of weeks, please leave a comment down below. And if you need any more information on any of the machines, call us on 049 8544 353.